Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, about a week or so ago, or maybe 2 weeks now, I put up a video of Justin and Michael's beautiful villa. As you know, Justin and Michael unfortunately have to sell and leave. It's a long story. You can check them out on Prego Italia and see what the whole situation behind that. But they just finished renovating this gorgeous villa in Scalea in the Baia del Carpino area. I put up the still photos, but we did a walkthrough too, and this is a video home tour. Take a look, you guys. You're going to love this. One of the most beautiful features of this amazing villa is the spectacular view. Justin and Michael were lucky enough to find a villa that was on the corner, so you have a view that you won't find anywhere else. In addition, they went through and touched up everything on the outside. They made any repairs that were necessary, and they cleaned up the garden and fixed it up beautifully. There's a beautiful seating area, tons of gorgeous hardscape. They created a driveway that you could drive in and a security gate. And they went through and renovated the entire villa from the inside out. Take a look, guys. The design elements in here are absolutely stunning. you.